M&ch Minister and also the General Secretary of the Hill State People's Democratic Party Hspdp, RENIKTON TONGKHAR, had recently made an announcement on the support of the party to candidates in the forthcoming assembly by-elections in the state. Speaking to the media, RENIKTON TONGKHAR informed that a meeting of the Regional Democratic Alliance RDA had taken place whereby a few decisions had been taken by the Hspdp to support candidates of the United Democratic Alliance in the assembly by-elections at Mauplang and Rajabala. Tongkhar added that his party would be supporting UDP's Eugenson L. Mauplang for the Mauplang seat and UDP candidate Ashahel D. Shira for the Rajabala seat.
FORTHCOMING and UDP, and we have discussed about this by-election. So, as we have already given the statement from both the parties that we will be supporting the candidate of UDP at Mauplang. So today in the RDA also, we have again reconfirmed that as an RDA, we will wholeheartedly supporting the candidate of UDP, Mr. Eugenson Lingdo. Also, we have discussed about the election at Rajabala. Even though Hspdp have not discussed in the last CEC, but here in RDA, we have all agreed that since we have the candidate from UDP, which is a part of RDA, so from RDA side, we have also decided to support the candidate of UDP from Rajabala. We will see whether some of us from RDA, whether we will be able to join the campaign over there. But we have supported and we want to tell to people in the state of Meghalaya that from RDA, we have decided to support UDP candidate at Rajabala. When it comes about the election here in Maurangkenen, since both the party we don't have candidate, so officially we will not be able to give any statement because both parties, UDP and Hspdp, we don't have candidate for this election at Maurangkenen. So officially, we will not be able to give any statement on this, even though you understand that we have a friend in the government, NPP, and they have their candidate, very strong candidate. So even though we are not able to say anything officially from RDA, but of course we would love to see if the candidate of our friend, partner in MDA, could win this election from Maurangkenen. We will be happy for that.